Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is my first video in 2022. So in this particular video we are going to restore an old painting. So this video will be really fun, guys. So let's enjoy this video, and okay, let's enjoy this video. I got this painting from someone, but this is a very old. This is in a very bad condition. You can see right here. We are going to redraw this drawing. So let's start the drawing process. I have done with my outlines. I am using brustro graphite pencil right here. मेर budget बेड़े गेछे माने आमार budget बेड़े गेछे, doesn't matter. I am using brustro pencils. So this is my first drawing with brustro pencil. Actually this drawing took me a very long time, almost 15 hours of time. Obviously not in one day. I took lots of months to complete this drawing. I got this painting at October 2021. Now it is January 2022. So I have completed this drawing at 31st December 2021. This is a very challenging drawing, and lots of portion of this female face is missing, so I have to use my imagination for drawing this particular female face. So yeah, this is a very old kind of artwork, and the artist name is Chandra. She used watercolor for this painting, and I am using graphite for this painting. By the way, one thing, have you subscribed my YouTube channel? You have not subscribed my YouTube channel? Oh. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then 4 days of bad luck. Please subscribe to my channel. I am ordering you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press this bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. One thing, I took some kind of commission artwork like this, and you can send your reference and your requirement in our email address, which is flashing right here, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram, or you can DM me on my Facebook page. Everything is available for you, and I doesn't take too much charges, just like another artists take. Even I do some digital works, and you can give me some commission work, or you can give me anything for digital artwork. I really love to do some digital artwork, so you can give me some kind of orders. Yes, please DM me on Instagram or email me in this given email address. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Bye bye.